The 2018 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the New Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.